Hey everybody, David Riedel here, your Green Valley Realtor, coming to you for our May update on what's going on in Las Vegas. And we got so much to unpack. The A's are coming to Vegas. That is huge. We also got McDonald Ranch coming out with private residences, all the information on that as well. And did we hit a bottom? Find more out on that. We are starting to heat up the summer. We're getting bidding wars, and stay tuned for all the updates on what's going on in Las Vegas. Take it away, Bob.
Hello again and welcome to the May issue of the Monthly Market Update. As the temperatures rise, so are home prices in our valley for the first time in almost a year. Along with this month's stats, I look forward to sharing facts and predictions supporting a continued return of the national market and an even more pronounced local revival. But first, at 4151, the current float of for-sale homes is down another 8.6% from March and has been steadily dropping from its over 8,000 home high in October of last year. Still, we remain 45% higher than last April, which marked the beginning of our market shift due to rising interest rates over hyperinflation concerns. New listings were also down by 5.8% from March and down a more significant 33% from April of 2022. New sales were off slightly from last month and off 21% from April of last year, while closings were down 17% and 34% respectively from the same two comparisons. And as I mentioned earlier, after 4 months of flat prices of $425,000, the median sales price rose 1.2% from March to $430,000. The saying goes that we only know we've hit the bottom when we move up from it. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit the bottom. This is not only my belief, but echoed by the Review Journal, quoting Las Vegas Realtors President Lee Barrett, along with KCM's recent infographic tracking 3 different national pricing models, confirming a national bottom as well. Additionally, our sales associates recently enjoyed a fabulous presentation by Nat Hodgson, CEO of Southern Nevada Home Builders, who clearly articulated how land and material costs, coupled with regulatory and connection fees, have caused the total cost to build a home to increase exponentially. And with resale inventories continuing to drop, new homes should continue to increase as a percentage of overall sales. Nat also explained how new homes are extremely energy and water efficient, and logically shared that while water sustainability remains extremely important, Southern Nevada's water resources are quite sufficient for decades into the future. I'm certain you'd enjoy watching the recording of Nat's presentation, which is available upon request. Smart Asset recently released their list of worst places to invest for equity and growth, and we weren't on it, because we were on Penske's list once again for the top markets of relocation, rating number 2 for 2 years in a row. And a respectable number of those moving to Southern Nevada are of the financial affluence to afford a home at the newly announced Four Seasons Private Residences Las Vegas, being built on 11 City View acres in McDonald Highlands. The 171 residences will range from 2,300 square feet to 7,300 square feet, starting at $3 million with a 2026 delivery date. Your Coldwell Banker Premier Realty sales professional can provide details on these fabulous offerings. The Nevada legislature is in its every other year session, which is usually a pretty nervous time. But fortunately, and due to a 25-month streak of over $1 billion in gaming wins, the budget has been increased by another $250 million and now stands at $11.6 billion, up $2.4 billion from the current 2021 biennium budget. And a bipartisan bill has been introduced to provide massive tax credits to lure film production to our state, creating further economic diversification. Tax credits in the amount of $190 million annually for a 20-year period has caused Sony Corporation to commit to a $1 billion expansion to our state, subject to passage. The legislature will also be debating on providing incentives to the Oakland A's for their relocation to Las Vegas, which should be a little easier as they reduce their ask based on a new partnership with Bally Corporation and Gaming and Leisure Properties, Inc., who are pledging 9 acres of land at their Tropicana Hotel for free, so the A's can build a 30,000-seat ballpark. The deal will significantly improve the value of the 35-acre parcel, which will eventually be raised and replaced with a new gaming and entertainment resort. Odds are good that the legislature will come to an agreement within the next couple of weeks. And finally, interest in our Real Vitalize program continues to grow as homeowners appreciate the ease of increasing their home's value and saleability by improving its condition prior to sale and at no upfront cost to the owner. Watch for our advertisements on KLAS Channel 8 or ask your sales professional for more details. Thanks as always for your attention and for making us your real estate companies of choice. Summer's coming, so stay hydrated and sunscreen, and we'll see you back next month. Bye-bye.